Hello, we have here a topic regarding civil service examination reviewer. So the topic will be about mathematics. So first problem here says, if a car can travel 60 kilometers on 12 liters of gasoline, how many liters will be needed on a 210 kilometer trip? So this is a direct proportion problem. So let x be the number of liters needed. So it means for x is to 210 kilometer trip is equal to 12 liters per 60 kilometer. So just cross multiply. Result will be 60x is equal to 12 times 210. So x is equal to 12 times 210 divided by 60. So when you simplify this, if you calculate, the result will be 42 liters. Okay, will be needed to complete a 210 kilometer trip. Write 7.5% as a fraction. So to simplify this, you divide this by 100. So 7.5 divided by 100, because percent is equivalent to 100, divided by 100. Okay, so to remove the decimal, you just multiply it by 10 in the numerator, and if you multiply 10 in the numerator, definitely you'll multiply also in the denominator. So the result will be 75 over 1000. So to simplify this, the result will be 3 over 40. Okay, so here write 38% as decimal. Okay, so 38% is equal to 3 divided by 8. The result will be 0.375%. So again, when you say percent, you just divide it by 100. The result will be 0.00375. Find 40% of 60. Okay, so the result is 40% divided by 100 is 0.4 times 60. So final answer is 24. Okay, very clear. So moving on. So what part of gallon is what part of gallon is 7 pints, given that 1 quart is equal to 2 pints and 4 quarts is equal to 1 gallon. So from here we derive this 1 quart per 2 pints times 1 gallon for every 4 quarts. So this one will be cancelled. So therefore 1 gallon is equal to 2 pints times 4. So that's why therefore 8 pints is equal to 1 gallon. So from here we derive this to these equations, and now we substitute down into the problem. So what part of the gallon is 7 pints? So therefore we're looking for 7 pints. So times 1 gallon over 8 pints. So you cancel out this one. So the result will be 7 over 8 gallon. If 7 is added to 4 times a number, the result is 91. So what is the number? So with this kind of problem, let x is equal to the number. Okay, so it says here that 4 times a number, if 7 is added, so that will become 4x plus 7 equals, the result is 91. So now you just transpose this to the right side. That's why 91 minus 7. And then here 4x is equal to 84. And now you divide it, because 84 moved into the denominator, divided by 4. Therefore the answer is 21. The area of the square is 36 square centimeter. What is the perimeter of the square? Okay, so here the area of a square is side square. Okay, because they have four similar sides. That's why it's s square. Okay, so it says in the problem here 36 is equal to x square, because the area is 36. So therefore s is equal to the square root of 36. So s is equal to 6 centimeter. So we all know that the perimeter of a square is the sum of the 4 sides and 4 equal sides. So therefore equals 4s. Now the perimeter is 4 times 6, so that is 24 centimeter. Okay, so moving on, number 4. A truck can carry a load of 8 over 9 tons. How many trips must the truck make to deliver 10 in 2/3 tons of sand? Okay, so let n be the number of trips. So from here again, the problem says N is equal to 10 over 2/3 tons of sand. So divide by the load, so divide 8 over 9. So the result will be 32 over 3 divided by 8 over 9. Now you simplify it, 32 over 3, because when you divide, when you transpose to multiplication, it's the reciprocal of this. So 32 over 3 times 9 over 8. That result will be 12 trips. Okay? So, in here, so find 70% of 60. So again, 70% is 70 divided by 100. So the result will be 0.70 times 60. So final answer is 42. Okay. What is 175% of 24? So again, 175% divided by 100. The result is 1.75 times 24. So the result again is 42. Okay.